Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change battery in Kia Optima key fob step by step. Start by wiping the fob and finding the seam where the two halves meet, then use a small flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry them apart. Remove the old battery carefully, noting its orientation, and dispose of it properly. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, snap the fob halves back together, and test the buttons to confirm power. Begin by holding the key fob in one hand with the button side facing up and the notch toward you. Insert a coin or a small flathead screwdriver into the notch and twist gently until the case starts to open, then work your way around the seam. Keep pressure controlled to prevent popping the circuit board out or cracking the plastic. Once open, set the housing pieces on a soft cloth to protect the shell and electronics. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car trick videos and quick fixes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to freshen up your ride after a DIY session and keep things pleasant while you work. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. With the fob open, observe how the old CR2032 battery sits and which side faces up so you can match orientation exactly. Carefully lift the battery out using your fingertips or plastic tweezers, avoiding metal tools touching the contacts. Place the new CR2032 cell into the holder, ensuring it sits flat and clicks into place securely. Reassemble the fob, pressing the halves together until you hear a snap. Then test lock and unlock buttons for proper function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.